I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking on dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we gon' bring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm shooting, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like a dog running. Yeah. I ain't coming with nothing.
Yeah, hi everyone, we are driving again. Welcome back to KL driving series by January Samsuka. We are driving from Cheras, PGRM, and going towards Jalan Ampang. And this is the Jalan Pandaninda road here, and it's a little bit clear today. It's probably in here on this road, but we don't know what the front there. We are going towards the middle ring road 2, and we try to go out at the Jalan Ampang and Great Eastern Mall, and let us see. Alright, let's go.
Tell him, man, you know I'm shooting, but I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better.
We're actually turning left from here. By the way, we just came from the PGRM building, which is the Jalan Baluri somewhere there, and then we're turning left here, joining the middle ring road 2, and hopefully that it's not jam. Well, it's still traffic jam. It's a morning traffic jam here still, even though we're already about 9 o'clock in the morning. So this is actually how it's look like on this road during the rush hour. It's still a rush hour, I guess, but like I said, it's always this is one of the alternative roads aside from those elevated highways that being built everywhere, and because this is not a toll road, so our fellow motorists are using still this road. Aside from that, forget the federal highway, which was congested for years now. Even though you're telling about, again, all these elevated highways that has been built not every year, but for years now, to ease, quote unquote, the congestions in the city. So middle ring road is basically the dispersal traffic dispersal on some places. So this is how it's look like 9 o'clock in the morning, something like this. This is still slow moving, and of course there are a lot of entry points on this highway, so that is why it slows down the traffic for those that is coming in and out. So I will go around and follow the traffic until the Jalan Ampang intersection. So we are at the sort of fast lane, which we only driving because of the traffic is 50 kilometers per hour. Hopefully that it matches the camera, the onboard camera and the odometer of the car. Good weather actually, still not that hot, but I probably can predict that this is very hot again today here at the city center. And for those of you who just joined or new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your help, your support. And again, this is still the Middle Ring Road 2. There's another ring road which is now an elevated one. It's a tolled road, to be honest. And yeah, of course, some of our motorist friends are also looking after not to drive in those highways because of the cost. So that is only for the part of the traffic jam for now, but while we exit here, I can say that the traffic is here again. So we are exiting
Beware of the vehicle ahead.
Middle Ring Road and joining Jalan Ampang. So this is how it looks like here. On the left side is the one that I've always go for a walk. One of the Tasik. And yeah, some motorists are really irritated in the morning because of the traffic jam, and that it makes the roads congested as well sometimes. Yeah, everyone's want to rush going for work or going somewhere else, meet up their schedules, and sometimes they've forgotten some safety. Driving safely is the key. That is always my preaching, and teach your children as well. Oh man. So yeah, I need to be slow down there. And now this is Jalan Ampang, and still on the standstill. No, slow moving. If I can say, the waste is still, I mean the waste is the guidance is still red color. So let's go through. Let's drive through until the Great Eastern Mall, which is on the Gelatic intersection. So this is Jalan Ampang now, 2026. They actually upgraded or modified the roads with the inclusions of that median, which I believe it's a good upgrade, but there is probably pros and cons on some of our dear friends motorists here, because, or maybe the shop owners, that they used to go in and out from its direction, which is also the downfall of this, that makes the roads congested during peak hours. So the city council. I know this is a city council. It's not the JKR road, I think. So the city councils have that proposal to upgrade the road with the median. So we're stuck here for now.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
And like I mentioned, you used to have these entry points on on the either side of this road, but now it's already closed out with that median. And again, welcome to Kuala Lumpur. The right hand side is the Glen Eagle Hospital. I've been away for a year and I've already had a lot of changes here on this road.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
So that is how slow moving the traffic is. Yeah, so okay guys, that is this is where we are at the intersections of Jalan Cheras and Jalan Ampang, and exiting it in here right now. That's the greatest and more on the left hand side, and that's all for this drive through in the morning from PGRM in Cheras and coming here at using Jalan Ampang. That's all for now, and Happy Lusam Tubukai signing off.